So what did I want to share? So I just came back from spending a week in Cabo in Mexico, and it was so wonderful. And the things that I wanted to share were, one, the biggest medicine for me was just being near the ocean 24/7. Like my entire time there, I was near the ocean. And at night, hearing the sound of the ocean waves, that roar, that loud roar, that was just like so constant, so rhythmic all night. Like it was so loud, which, some people find, wow, the ocean is so loud, and it is. I found it so soothing on like a primordial level. It was like, oh my God, this rhythm, this sound, there's something so medicinal about it, which there is. There is medicine in in the ocean, in the sound of the waves crashing. There was medicine in it for me to tune myself back into even more deeper into this developmental healing process going on Earth. And just like there's medicine in the moon, there's medicine in the moon, there's medicine in the sun, there's all these healing, medicine, medicinal elements in our natural world that are available to us at all time. So that was a huge medicine, just being able to listen to the crashing sound of the ocean constantly for like a continuous, 5, 6 days. So I come back from my trip, still feeling that roar of the ocean, but missing it because now I'm back in Davis, like very far from the ocean. And then I go to a sound healing the next day. It was a beautiful sound healing. She was playing these beautiful bowls. I was closing my eyes, and then she brings out something that literally was like sounded like the ocean. And I was like something like moved in my hips when she did that. I was like, what is she playing? I like opened my eyes. I needed to figure out how she was making this sound. It sounded exactly like the ocean. And it was this like ocean drum. And I was like, I need to get one of those ocean drums. So I ordered that ocean drum. Here she is, this beauty. And I wasn't sure if she would make it in time for this call. I'm like, whenever she makes it, I'll definitely share it with my water keepers. But she arrived on my doorstep like last night. Like, this is so magical. So she was like, I want to be here. I want to be here for this call. And, I'm not a tech whiz. I don't know how the sound will transmit, but I mean, I played her and she's loud. She's ocean. My kids were like, oh my God, that's so loud. You need to go outside. So I will definitely transmit some ocean sound medicine. She just even looks like the moon, right? This is moon medicine. So let me know. Actually, I feel called to stand to really open up the hips, and you can stand if you want to. Everything's an invitation. But I really feel like to open up the hips and like do that exfoliation, it can be helpful to move your hips around. I'm just gonna play the drum a little bit. Let me know if you can hear it. So like the sound of the ocean, it's really loud. I'm just gonna play it and really let the ocean wave just like move through your body in the healing way it's meant to, just wherever it's meant to go. I feel like for us women, it's really in our hips to let this ocean wave sound wash through our pelvic bones and hips, but just gonna let the wave do its own medicine for you to receive.